Hello everybody and welcome back. My name is Uhfgood, otherwise known as Keith, and I figured today I should go back and continue with finishing the John Lemon tutorial. In fact, I should really just go ahead and finish everything on the tutorial, and then I should go back to the Blender wiki book and then finish all that. And in between times, I will be doing more sketches of character inspirations, and I will be doing, level design, layout, and stuff. I want to get the rest of this part out of the way. So, if you don't mind, we're going to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, no scripts there, and it's probably game ending. I'm not sure, but let's go here to this update method. Add an update method. I need to go all the way back to whatever this is. Remove the start and update methods, and they're to start the script. Okay, let's go create a new script. In projects window, go to asset scripts, go to create C# game ending. Okay, so let's pull up the game ending, and let me shrink this back down because I still haven't gotten used to that. And look, I'm teeny tiny, way down here, teeny tiny. Okay, it's really tiny because I got my OBS screen is small. But anyways, in any case, let's go ahead, and I don't know why this is up here. But I don't care, whatever. But I guess I'll just leave that. Okay, so we did this stuff. We did fade duration, game object player on trigger enter, add an update method. Okay. We did that in player exit, this player, blah, blah. Okay. You need to write that if statement code block. Create a new method below update called endLevel. So, void endLevel. Okay, this will help keep things tidy within the if statement. In the update method, add a call to the endLevel method. Oh, okay. Within the if statement in the update, okay, call endLevel. So, okay, and the endLevel method needs to fade the canvas group and then quit the game. Previously, when you found references to components, you've used the get component method, but this only works for components on the same game object as this script. This time, you're going to take a public variable for the canvas group component, which can be assigned in the inspector. Add this public variable declaration below the player variable declaration. So, before, player, below the player variable declaration. And I'm not sure if you're exit. I'm going to go ahead and put this even below the bool there. So I'm going to say public canvas group exit background image canvas group semicolon. Okay. You also need a timer. Ensure that the game doesn't end before the fade is finished. While we are declaring the variables, we should consider any others we might need. Add the following variable declaration below the M. Alright, I'll go ahead and do kind of what they said here. I see what's going on here. Shift delete, Control V, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure what that little. Oh, that's why. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that down there, and then the next thing we'll do float m timer semicolon and Bob's your uncle. Next, the end level method needs to start counting up the timer. You may remember from the player movement script there's a way of getting how much time has passed since the last frame using delta time. You could set the timer equal to itself plus the delta time. However, there's a shortcut for saying exactly that using the plus equals operator. Add the following line included to your end level method inside the braces. M timer plus equals time dot delta time. All it means is m timer equals m timer plus time dot delta time. Okay, half plus equals operator saying set whatever is on the left to be equal to itself plus whatever is on the right. Simple. Okay. Now, it's number 6. It's time to set the alpha of your canvas group. The alpha value should be 0. When the timer is 0 and 1, when the timer, the alpha value should be 0 when the timer is 0 and 1 when the timer is up to fade duration. In order to get this value, you can divide the timer by the duration. Add the following code below the plus equals operator line you just added to the end level method. Okay. Exit. Background. Dot alpha equals m timer divided by fade duration. And that's what we had before. Now the image will fade in when John Lemon reaches the exit. You will still have a few more things to sort out before you're done. Finally, the game needs to quit when the fade is finished. The fade will finish and the timer is greater than the duration. Add a new operator beneath the previous line you added. If m timer greater than fade duration, and the right face angle bracket tests whether it is to the left is greater than whatever is on the right, so if it returns true, otherwise it returns false. The if statement's code block will only be executed if the alpha is up to 1, so now all we need to do is add the following line to the code block to make the game quit. Application.quit semicolon. There's something important to know here. The method will indeed quit the game, but it only works for fully built applications. Currently, the game is just a project playing in the editor, so this won't do anything yet. You'll make a build of your game in the final tutorial of the series. When you've done this, the line of code will work properly. Until then, you need to exit play mode as you have done before. In its current state, your script will cause the game to quit as soon as the images have finished fading. It'd be much nicer if the image faded in, the player saw them for a brief time, and then the game quit. All you need to do to achieve this is add some more time in the last if statement. Making this a variable means you can change the duration the images are shown in the future, if you like. Below the fade duration variable declaration near the top of the class, add another duration variable declaration. Okay. And we're back to this because I am just, where's fade duration? Public float display image duration equals 1f. Okay. Now you need to do is add this duration to the fade duration in the if statement by changing it to if m timer plus fade duration, if m timer is greater than fade duration plus display image duration, then quit. You're done. This completed script should look similar to this. And now, before I do anything, here, and nope, cancel. Okay. So before I do anything here, oops, just expand this out so it looks, so that way I can check this out. Right, Uni Engine, model behavior, fade duration 1F, display image duration 1F, game player, game object player, canvas group, exit background image. Rename. Exit background image canvas group. Okay. It's just yeah, I just did a capital when I didn't want one. Is player exit M timer. Okay. So on trigger enter, collider other, if game object other is equal to player, exit, add exits true. Update is player to exit, end level, M timer, exit background plus fade duration. Do. Okay. So now I will end this video, and then I will go ahead and continue with from in the next video. So thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and all that stuff. Especially if you're at least finding it a little bit interesting how I'm learning how to use this stuff. I know this tutorial doesn't have directly to do with my game, but at the same time, I started it, I need to finish it. And I think that's a lot more important, even if it means delaying my game just a little bit. And it's only just a little bit anyway, so this won't take that long. Thanks for watching. I will see you later.